Hazrat Abu Darda radiyallahu anhu says, "You will display the heroic deeds in the battlefield in accordance with your deeds," and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, "O believer, why do you say what you do not do? Most hateful is it to Allah that you say what you do not do. Undoubtedly, Allah loves those who fight in His way arrayed in ranks as though they were a building cemented with molten lead." Surah As-Saf, verse 2 to 4. Hazrat Abu Ishaq radiyallahu anhu reports that he heard Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu saying that an armed man came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should I fight first or embrace Islam?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "First embrace Islam, then fight a holy war." So he embraced Islam, then fought against the non-Muslims and embraced martyrdom. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He performed less deeds but earned ample reward." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2808.